Hey everyone, so I'm Angeliki and I'm a current board member of the Young Immunologist of the German Society of Immunology, and I would like to share with you guys why for me immunology is super interesting and important. You have to imagine that in many societies childs and humans still die from immunological disorders or pathogens that are so much in control here in Europe and the Western society. Imagine what is happening in your body when you have an autoimmune disease and your immune system is out of control. Understanding all of this and what impact the cells in your own body have by saving your lives but also contributing to making you sick is something that is extremely fascinating to me and is so multiplex that we need to understand it in order to contribute to a better health system and care system for us, but also for poorer countries. So please share whatever you know and love about immunology.
Hi, Bianca. I am a PhD student in Heidelberg and also member of the Young Immunologists at the German Society for Immunology, the DGfI. And for this year and the Day of Immunology, our monthly seminar series will feature an expert in the field of neuroimmunology, Michael Kilian, who also recently won a prize here in Germany for his research in GBM. So if you want to join our initiative, just follow us on our social media channels to find all the latest info. And together with the DGfI, we are also actively creating numerous posters on different topics of immunology that you can find all on our website. And also there are a couple of games for the smallest of us if you want to get your kids involved in the exciting field of immunology.
Have a good day of immunology, learn as much as possible. Bye!